Hi everyone, I'm creating another keepsake, but this one is very different. As someone who's had a miscarriage, I understand why she wanted her keepsake to resemble the sky. We pondered ideas and this is what we came up with. I have already sealed and prepped her pregnancy test, so I start off with pouring a clear layer of resin and then I place in her test to be in front. Next is the flowers. My customer wanted some purple violets. When placing flowers in resin, you need to make sure they are completely dried out. These came from Etsy, so I'll leave the link in the description. To create the clouds, I used air-dried clay. This one came from Etsy. However, I would not recommend this person, so I will leave a different link in the description. As you break up the clay, it will clump up into this cloud-like form. As that layer is becoming firm, I pour another layer of clear resin. It's been about 6 hours. I do this with my larger molds so I won't have those layer lines throughout my piece. Then I just repeat the process a second time. If you've enjoyed this video so far, please like and subscribe and let us know what you think in the comments. After the second layer is starting to firm, I will add the final layer with this blue color to create the sky. I added a little bit of white to brighten up the sky so it will look like an actual sky. You can see the color change as I'm stirring, and then I pour it and wait for it to cure. I created this piece for my customer with so much love in my heart. I just wanted to give her a warm hug and say, I know. I add some vinyl onto the front of the piece per my customer's request. I have a more detailed video on how to dome your pieces without resin dripping down the sides and ruining your pieces. I'll link it here and below in the description. I hope you've enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making it. Let us know what you think in the comments below. See you later.